Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another session of vocab with me in association with my tutorial. Today, we are continuing with our F intermediate 50 words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Falter, ladkhadana, jhijakna. His voice began to falter as he spoke in front of the large audience. Fragile, najuk, todne yogya. Be careful with that glass, it's very fragile. Frustrate, nirash karna, viphal karna. His constant delays frustrated everyone in the team. Fascinate, मोहित करना, आकर्षित करना. The magic show fascinated the children. Flatter, चापलूसी करना, बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना. She flattered him by praising his work all the time. Frenzy, उन्माद, पागलपन. The crowd went into a frenzy when the concert began. Feeble, कमजोर, लाचार. His feeble attempt to lift the box failed. Fabric, कपड़ा, संरचना. The fabric of the shirt is soft and comfortable. Fickle, चंचल, अप्रत्याशित. Her fickle nature made it hard for her friends to trust her. Frighten, डरना. The loud noise frightened the little boy. Flourish, फूला हुआ, समृद्ध होना. The company continued to flourish despite economic challenges. Furnish, प्रदान करना, सुसज्जित करना. They decided to furnish the house with modern furniture. Formulate, तैयार करना, रूपरेखा बनाना. They need to formulate a strategy to solve the problem. Fascination, आकर्षण, मोह. His fascination with ancient history led him to study archaeology. Forbid, मना करना, निषेध करना. The teacher forbade the students from using their phones in class. Fragrant, sugandhit, mehekdar. The garden was filled with fragrant flowers. Function, karya, samaro, kaam karna. The function of the heart is to pump blood through the body. Fluent, pravahapurn, daksh. She is fluent in 3 languages. Foresight, durdarshita. His foresight helped the company avoid a financial crisis. Flexible, lachila, suvidhajanak. The work schedule is quite flexible, allowing us to adjust as needed. Fortunate, bhagyashali, saubhagyashali. We were fortunate to escape the storm. Frightful, dharavna, bhayanak. The frightful noise kept us awake all night. Frantic, bekabu, uttejit. She made a frantic search for her lost keys. Furious, krodit, gusse mein. He was furious when he found out about the betrayal. Fellowship, mitrata, sahyog, chhatravritti. They formed a fellowship to work on community service projects. Facade, bahari chehra, jhuta abhas. The building's facade was beautifully designed with intricate carvings. Fiction, kalpanik katha, bakwas. She enjoys reading science fiction novels. Fertile, upjau, samriddh. The fertile land produced abundant crops every season. Flimsy, najuk, kamzor. The flimsy paper tore easily when she tried to fold it. Ferocious, barbar, hinsak. The ferocious storm caused significant damage to the town. Formidable, bhayankar, prabhavshali. The army faced a formidable opponent during the battle. Frugal, mitvayi, kifayati. He is very frugal and saves a significant amount of money every month. Fumble, hadbadana, gadbad karna. He fumbled with the keys trying to unlock the door. Fateful, nirnayak, bhagya nirman. It was a fateful decision that changed the course of history. Faintly, halka, mand. She could faintly hear the sound of music from the next room. Foster, badhawa dena, palan poshan karna. They fostered a sense of teamwork among the employees. Feast, bhoj, dawat. They had a grand feast to celebrate the festival. Facilitate, sahayat banna, saral karna. The new software will facilitate the workflow in the office. Fluctuate, utar chadhav hona. The stock prices fluctuate daily, making investments unpredictable. Fortify, majboot karna, suraksha badhana. They fortified the castle walls to protect it from invaders. Fashionable, adhunik. She always wears fashionable clothes that are in style. Flammable, jwalansheel, aag pakadne wala. Be careful with the flammable chemicals in the lab. Fallacy, bhranti, galat dharana. The argument base is based on the fallacy that all people behave rationally. Forewarn, purva chetavani dena, agah karna. The weather service forewarned people about the incoming storm. Frail, najuk, kamjor. The elderly man felt frail after his illness. Forthcoming, aane wala, nikad bhavishya mein. The forthcoming event will be held at the new convention center. Fidelity, nishtha, wafadari. His fidelity to the company made him one of their most valued employees. Frivolous, tuch, gair gambhir. His frivolous behavior made it hard for him to be taken seriously at work. Favorable, anukul, sahayak. The weather was favorable for a picnic by the lake. Fertility, Urvarta, Prajanan Chamta. The fertility of the soil in this region allows farmers to grow multiple crops each year. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.